Credit scores are an important part of financing, and if you start right before you need it, it might be too late. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams. And as we look at credit scores, here's a couple key things to keep in mind. First, the payment history is 35% of your credit score. So they are looking to make sure that all payments have been made on time, no late payments in the last 12 to 24 months. The amount owed on your card also impacts your credit score by 30%. So if you look at your balance compared to the limit, you want your balance to at least be 50% or less of that limit. Now here's a couple tips moving forward. If you have a child that's getting ready to start establishing their credit score and you would like to help them, you can make them an authorized user on your credit score so that the longevity of your credit history starts to impact theirs, which lets them build their credit score at a quicker level. If you don't like credit cards, you can also check with a bank for a secured card. This card is much like a debit card, but it is reported to the bureau agency, so it helps impact your credit score. And the other tip is to consider how you're using that limit on your credit card. If you get a large opportunity balance and you ask them to lower that limit, you could actually be hurting yourself if that balance on your card is now 50% or greater compared to the limit. If you have a great credit score already, congratulations. One tip for you is to make sure you're checking it yearly to make sure there's no errors or outstanding accounts you've closed that are still showing on your account. If you have any questions about how credit scores impact your financing options as far as interest rates and loans available, we'd be happy to talk to you about that as well as how to build your credit score so you're ready for your next home purchase.